Wow.
Transform to a super robot. I transform to a submarine.
Yay.
Transform.
Welcome back to Numberblocks Fun. Today we're building number blocks 21 to 30 using colorful blocks. So let's get started. So the first number is 21. 20 plus 1 equals 21.
I am 21, and I'm a number explorer. Wow! The question is, what comes next? Twenty plus 2 equals 22. I'm 22. I'm 20 and 2.
The next number is number block 23. I am 23 and I am happy being me. Yes, so you need 20 number blocks with 3 yellow blocks. So here's Rafwaan is playing Transformers. He's making L shape with the 20. Okay, here we go. He's putting the yellow 3 blocks around the number 20 and making number block 23. And he's again playing Transformers with number blocks. Yes, it's a fun way of playing and transforming the blocks and playing with it. Alrighty. So next it's time to put the faceplate. Here is your face, your eyes, and the mouth. And the final stage will be putting the number links on top of it. And that's your number block 23 is made. Good job. You're making a good progress. Next one will be making number block 24. So again you need 20 apricot or light orange block and you need 4 tall green blocks. So you put the green blocks at the center and on around them you just put your light yellow blocks and 20 blocks. And here's Rafwaan again playing Transformers with number blocks. It's a very fun way actually to play Transformer and number blocks because you can actually make too many shapes with it. Now it's the time to make your number block 24 with the faces. So you put your eyes, mouth, and an extra green plate. And the final stage is putting your number link 24 on top of it. And that's your number block 24 is ready. Okay, tell me which number block from 21 to 30 is your favorite. Mine one I'm still deciding. Rafwaan, I don't know, but we'll let you know very soon. All right. Next is number block 25. 25 is square. It's 5 times 5, so it's a square. So you need 20 apricot blocks and 5 cyan blocks. And your number block 25 is ready with the faceplate and numbers. Next would be your number block 26. 26 is made from 20 light orange bordered blocks and 6 indigo blocks. 26 is a special agent where you need special glasses, bow tie, and a special hat. So let's finish making 26 with Rafwaan. And then put the faceplates, the snap cubes, and the number link.
These are my propellers. These are where my propellers are.
Out.
I'm Agent 26, and I'm
Double 13.
Woo!
Now let's get number 26 ready as a secret agent. Now put the black bowler hat, the number link, and the sunglasses and the bow tie. So number block 26 is ready as a secret agent. Next number is number block 27. So here there are 7 colorful blocks from the rainbow and the 20 apricot block. So what are you going to do? You're taking the number block, the colorful blocks, putting one by one, making the center of number block 27 of the cube, and then around them you're going to put the number block, the orange light blocks around it as a cube. So number block 27 is ready. You put the faceplate and the number. Number block 28 is the next one. Number block 28 is made of 28 blocks with 20 orange blocks and 8 magenta blocks. It is a super rectangle and a step squat. It means it has 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 7 equals number 28, and it is made as a tower with windows. So it will help you understand the shapes and the patterns with numbers. So let's make number block 28. So Rafwaan is trying to make the tower, the windows in between. So there are in total 5 windows. So you have to make 4 windows with the apricot block or the light orange block, and the final window will be made with magenta block. So Rafwaan is almost done making the windows and making the number block 28, and that's his final touch on the last window, which is made of magenta 8 blocks. And here you go, number block 20 is ready with the faceplate and number link. So that's your number block 28. Yes, tell me how did you make it and you like it or not. So next number is number block 29. So you need 20 orange block, light orange block, and 9 gray colored block. So these 9 blocks, they come in 3 different shades of gray. So the next is number block 29's faceplate. So there are 5 badges. So at the bottom middle there will be the faceplates, the faces, eyes, and the 5 badges are prime club, odd blocks, 9 enders, roaring 20s, and made of ones. So after you put all the badges, all the faceplates and the badges and the number link 29, your number block 29 is ready. So the next would be number block 30, which is made of 30 yellow blocks. Yes, 30 yellow blocks. So you will stack 10 yellow blocks, and in the middle you'll stack another 10 yellow blocks, and at the end you're gonna stack the last 10 yellow blocks. So the making of number block 30 is not that bad. It's pretty easy. So it's gonna be a super rectangle again, and 3 times 10 will be 30. Yes, so after putting the number block 30, it's time for the faceplate and the crown and the number link. So here is your number block.
I put it.
Yes.
Daddy.
Thanks for watching, everyone.